Arvind Kejriwal asks who's funding Narendra Modi's choppers, who's providing and paying for the charter rides that Rahul Gandhi takes every day. Joining us now representing the BJP, Sudhanshu Mittal. The BJP's been very quiet. Will you tell Mr. Kejriwal and the people of India who's funding these charter rides, Mr. Mittal?
As far as Mr. Kejriwal is concerned, I will tell him nothing.
Why not?
Allow me that. I will never tell him anything because those who preach must also practice. What is the allegation? That there are charters which are taken and that somebody pays, and who's that somebody? Yes? I will not tell him this. For the simple reason, he doesn't tell anybody anything. So many questions have been asked, but he has not told him. But because Rahul, you had put up this question, I want to tell you,
yes,
who pays whom. Now first let's look at AAP.
No, I'm asking you a straight question. You can't turn this into a political speech. I'm asking you, who pays for Mr. Modi's chopper ride? Answer just that question.
Because to understand that, you have to understand the entire analogy.
No, what's the analogy? Every day he's flying from one part of the country to the other. Just explain. Because Modi is because Kejriwal has put out some pictures saying that Mr. Adani funds those planes. Is that true? Is that where he gets his funding from and why? Answer just this question.
Rahul, first all the facts.
Yes.
There's something called DGCA in this country.
Yes.
DGCA logs in every second of every aircraft or a chopper which is flown in this country. It also logs in who's the passenger who's occupying it.
So who pays for it?
We
know that.
Exactly, yeah. So as far as any usage of any chopper or plane is concerned, no, you cannot just hide it. B, now who pays it? The BJP pays it. The BJP pays it out of check. There are check payments. Actually, I got delayed because of that. I was getting this entire log of the last 3 weeks.
What does the log say? Who's paying for it?
It says, this is a flight, this is a flying type, this is a company who owns this, and this is the invoice of the company.
We know that. Who's paying for it?
The party pays for it, BJP.
No, who's funding the party?
Now, who funds it? Who funds BJP? How are funds collected? There is the provision that anybody who pays beyond 20,000 rupees, his name, his address, and everything has to be given.
Correct.
Less than that, you can take donations in cash. We have a whole list of people who give us money, and the money which is deposited in the bank is then used to pay all this. Allow me one more thing. Here is the list of the donors, so-called, because Mr. Kejriwal said, and you repeated that. Here is the list of the donors of Mr. Kejriwal's party, right?
No, one second. You want answer, Sudhanshu, I'm asking you a straight question. Who is it who's funding Mr. Modi's chopper ride?
Everybody who pays BJP by way of donation, the entire kitty which then gets accumulated.
How much money has been spent on these chopper rides so far?
You can have the log tomorrow. That's what I said.
So are you prepared to put it out in the public domain?
No, it is put in an RTI. Say.
No, the BJP doesn't come under the RTI.
You haven't heard the question.
Yes.
You haven't heard the question. First, the DGCA will give you all the logs of usage of any chopper or a flight by any person. Take that. Go to Income Tax Authority and say, here is the expense. Please, can you let me know what BJP spent? And you'll have the facts. Because under law, we are supposed to give an entire detail, not only to the income tax, but also to the election commission.
No, but is it not important in the interest of transparency for the BJP to tell us who's funding Mr. Modi's chopper ride? You aren't answering that question. You've spoken now for about 7 minutes without answering my main question.
No, Rahul, you have said BJP and Congress should answer.
Yes.
Should the Aam Aadmi Party also not answer this? Here is this list of the donors which they put on the web. Now, can I read it out to you? It says, rupee received. Let me take a bigger amount. 50,000 rupees. Here it is. Kumkum Saxena, India, UP, Lucknow, and amount. By this, can you identify the person who has paid this money?
No, but that's not an answer to the question.
No, that is the answer. That is, the standards have to be universal and uniform.
No, at least they're putting this out. You aren't even putting this out. Do you have a similar website where you put out your funding?
Let me tell you one more thing, Rahul. You had Miss Mayawati rather, giving out details of 1 crore, 2 crore people saying this man, this number, this amount. The issue is the identity of the people who are paying this is established. by the domain, by the details on the website, it is not established. And if this fraudulence is what you're looking for, sorry, I'm not interested in anything fraudulent.
No, but you
As far
aren't
as-
answering my question,
I am
Mr.
giving
Mittal.
it to you.
There's a straight question
Yeah.
that Kejriwal has asked.
Right.
Does Adani pay for Modi's chopper rides?
He
Is
does
that
not.
yes or
No,
is that no?
he does not.
Because there are pictures that show that the
so
chopper
I
is
am-
Adani's.
That is exactly what I'm saying. You haven't heard.
Yes.
Every company which owns an aircraft or a chopper leases out. I'm entitled to take it from anybody who's offering it
So
to me.
who pays for that chopper
The party
ride?
pays for it.
I know the party pays
Yeah.
for it. Who's funding the party when the
The
party,
party,
pays
as
for
I
it?
said, such millions of donors of the party.
That's, you're showing me the Aam Aadmi Party is
I am
funding.
saying this is just an example of the donors who give money to the party.
But that's the
And
Aam
that
Aadmi
list-
Party funding that you're showing me. One
That
second. Just one second. Can I just reach out and get hold of this, please? Just 1 second. Here it is. You've got 4910 Gaurav Agarwal, Karnataka, Bangalore. He's paid 1,000 rupees to the Aam Aadmi Party. Kumkum Saxena, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. Check number this.
No,
5,000
that's not the check
no,
number.
NE
No, that's not the check
218806.
number. That's not the
Okay,
check
rupees
number.
5,000 paid to the Aam Aadmi Party.
Yeah.
Does the BJP maintain a similar ledger?
See,
Are you
yeah,
prepared to maintain a similar
That is
ledger?
what I'm saying. Not only BJP maintains a similar ledger.
You put it
was
in the
not.
public domain.
Please allow me.
No, what you tell the income tax department, I don't know. Can I go to the BJP website now and see it?
I do what I am
tell me.
required to
No,
do.
1 second. What's your email ID? Tell me now.
My name
I'll
is-
go to the BJP email ID and tell
I'm
me.
not supposed to follow Aam Aadmi Party, please.
No, but is that not a good
No,
practice?
because Aam Aadmi Party doesn't do it. That is what I'm trying to tell you, and you're not listening to this. Now, let me give you this document. It's so strange. They say all our expenditures are in public domain. This is what I've taken out half an hour back.
No, 1 second. Rahul Mehra from the Aam Aadmi
Just
Party is
one more
joining us.
thing.
Sudhanshu Mittal is tearing apart the Aam Aadmi Party, Rahul, saying that you don't declare who's
Anything.
paying you or where it's coming from. You put up Natta Singh, Prem Singh, Santa Singh, Banta Singh
All
and
the
any
same
amount.
thing. All the same thing.
And he says that that doesn't mean anything. He's not answering my question though, Rahul, about who's paying for Modi's chopper
us,
rides. He
for
says
us,
the
all the money
BJP
collected.
pays for
Yes,
it.
yes.
He says the party is paying for it.
And there's
it
a
is
law which I'll
declared
get it for you
to
tomorrow.
the Election Commission. Do an RTI, you will find out. Rahul Mehra, how do you respond to Sudhanshu Mittal?
What do I say, Rahul? I think it's a laughable proposition. You go on the street, talk to any person all over India, and I think Sudhanshu Mittal will get his answer and the BJP will get their answer. Let me just say this. I've been very much a central figure for the Delhi elections in the fundraising and continue to be so even now. I can actually promise you, and I can give you an affidavit on it, that every penny, right from a penny to lakhs and lakhs of rupees which are given to us by ordinary citizen, a completely a person who has no means, who actually doesn't know where his next meal is going to come from, or be it a high net
No,
individual.
Rahul Mehra, this is again, I will not allow
all
you.
these
No, 1
amounts
second.
are-
I will
all
not
these
allow
amounts
either
are
party
very
to make a
much on
stump
the
speech.
website.
I'm asking you a
All
straight
these
question. 1
amounts-
second. Have you heard, Rahul, what Sudhanshu Mittal said? He said if Kejriwal wants to know who's funding Modi's rides, put an RTI to the DGCA. They will tell you which
First, he
charter
should tell
is
me
paid.
who's funding him.
No, 1 second.
Why is he not telling us who's funding him? Please look at this. Donations received only after Delhi elections.
Yes.
What about
I
before?
think the question was to me,
What
Rahul,
about the
if I-
accounts?
if
I have just given you the
if I can
document. Just see
respond to
that. It lists
No,
the
I see.
expenditure
I know what
statement till
document
July
you have.
2013. We are sitting in February 2014. Where is it? Now, here is the expenditure statement of 2013. Look at
You're
this.
not allowing poor Rahul to speak. You're
Let me
monopolizing
first-
the
let
debate.
me first-
He's asking some questions, you're asking him
Rahul, let me
counter
first
questions.
put the
And I
proposition
still
in the
haven't
way.
understood who's funding the chopper ride.
Let me first put all the propositions in
Rahul,
domain
can I-
and then let
Rahul,
him
can I be-
answer.
Let Rahul
Do I
Mehra
have
make
to
some
shout
points
on
at
your
least.
show?
Go on,
Because
Rahul
I can
Mehra.
also shout.
Go on, Rahul.
And please ask this person who's the spokesperson of BJP probably to have some patience every time he comes and shouts.
Amazing, am I shouting?
So Rahul,
thought a clearer
the
voice was
question
not
is
shouting.
very simple.
Let him speak. Go on, Rahul. Make your point.
Rahul, the question is very simple. We have every day, why don't you try it out? You kindly contribute us any amount that you want
So
to.
you have the
and
net
see
here.
whether it is
Open their
reflected within...
page. Do they have the
Kindly-
statement
now
here?
please, can
Do
you
they have
please
the
have...
expenditure there?
Can you please have some patience?
Sir,
Mr.
come to the
Mittal.
point. You will only do Lafazi,
No,
and if you think
Rahul,
you can waste time by
Rahul, either
Lafazi, it doesn't
Rahul,
work.
either
Mr.
you allow me
Mr.
to have
Mittal,
my
you had your
or
time.
I'm not going to respond
You
at all.
had your opportunity to make your point. Let Rahul Mehra make a point. You can counter him later. Let's have a healthy, civilized debate. Rahul Mehra, answer the question that he raises. He says,
Thank you.
do a RTI.
I am,
Ask the
but I-
DGCA. They'll tell you. They will tell you whose charter we take and how much we pay. Rahul Meher.
Rahul, it's absolute nonsense. You know, it's like saying under the same RTI, we have got that more than 82% is from unknown sources of, unknown sources. Why are they running away from the fact that they are converting? And who are these people who have so much of love for BJP and Congress, who are giving them more than 80 to 85% of their amount which they raise from so-called from the public and the Aam Aadmi, and the names are not revealed? I mean, what is stopping them from being transparent, and what is stopping them from making self-disclosures? I think India has changed. And Aam Aadmi Party is also changing the public discourse and the political discourse. If they do not disclose this, then the only, the only result out of this will be that these are people who are taking unaccounted money. These are people who are dual-faced. They say one thing, the entire fund of, who are these
Okay, you made your point. Rahul, we've understood what you're saying.
Who are giving them
Allow
aircraft?
me to take this
who are
debate
these people
further.
who are spending 50
Now, Mr.
crores
Sudhanshu
on
Mittal,
every Narendra
like
Modi
the
rally?
Aam Aadmi Party does, why don't you reveal how much money you get from Mr.
What are you
Mukesh
hiding?
Ambani, how much money you get from Mr. Gautam Adani, how much money does the
This
BJP
entire
receive
list,
from the top corporates? Why is this not made public?
It is entire list is given to the income tax and it is given to the
No, why
election
not
commission.
disclose it publicly?
No, because they,
In the interest of
you have
transparency.
to understand.
Yes.
I would gladly do it.
Then do so.
Rahul, allow me. I would gladly do it if people who are raising these standards or professing these standards are following it. Let them not preach if they do not practice. I have just demonstrated to you the complete fraudulence.
You are finding fault in what they are
I'm
saying.
not finding fault.
Why don't you
Are
do
you not-
this?
why don't you
I
question
still
me about
haven't,
this?
after 20 minutes of debating with this with you, I still haven't understood who funds the Daily Chopper.
Rahul,
Because
like
they
them,
can't. Their
it's
bluff
the
will be
same.
caught.
But is this sufficient?
Their
Is this
real
information
sources, Their
sufficient?
quid pro quo will come out.
Is this information sufficient? If
No,
you are
but that's a fair point. You know, Rahul.
this information
no,
sufficient?
fair enough. Let me build that question to Rahul. You say Maya Mascarenas, Dinesh Chandra Pandey. Now, who is this person? Does this person exist? Doesn't exist? What is his PAN number? There's no Gautam Budh Nagar. You don't even give me a specific address. How do I go back
Father's
and
name
check?
you don't give. You
How
don't
do I
give
know that
age,
what you're saying
you
is
don't give
true?
address. You give
Santa
nothing.
Singh
Rahul.
30,000, Banta Singh 50,000, Rahul Mehra 60. How do we know any of
Mayawati
this is
did
true?
the same thing. Mayawati did exactly
now-
the
now
same.
speak.
Rahul, who
Yes.
is stopping? Now, Rahul, can you not see the how the entire thing is on our website?
Please go.
We
Please
have a portal where people come and anybody can come and they can put whatever name they want to put, but they have to disclose if they are from outside their passport numbers. If they are from here, their identity cards, their driving licenses or others. Now, if somebody wants to fudge and wants to put that, Al Capino or somebody else gave these funds and puts it on our website and tomorrow wants to come on your show to earn a brownie point like Mr. Sudhanshu Mittal,
Amazing.
what is stopping Congress
Amazing.
and BJP
Look,
to
what
put
a
Rahul Gandhi's name there,
what
to
a
put
frivolous
Narendra Modi's name
explanation
there?
that
And,
I will not
you know,
reveal an
so
identity
we can't go into the
because
back.
it could be
We can't
misused.
go into the back.
I mean,
No,
if
But
this
you
is
are
possible,
saying exactly the
to
same
the-
thing.
Am I saying
The
that?
BJP says we don't want to tell how much the corporates paid because other parties could target
But
them.
we are doing
That's what
disclosure.
Arun Jaitley has said in the past.
Allow me to.
We
I have
are
said-
doing
I have said this
self-disclosures of every
information
penny.
is given
Is
as it is
BJP
required
doing
to be
that?
given.
They-
That's it.
they
No, but
are
what about
putting-
taking a
they are
position in the
putting
interest
into-
of transparency,
they are
Sudhanshu
cutting
Mittal?
Where
into
is? Ask
pieces.
them first.
Land-
Why ask them first? What
For
about
the
your
simple
own
reason
morality?
that you have
Are
picked up this
being
question
dissected into
from what
amounts
Mr.
of
Kejriwal has
It's a
said.
bona fide question.
No, if it's a bona fide, they should practice it first. I have just demonstrated it. Secondly,
But you aren't even doing that
I
much.
have just told you, July 2013 के बाद there is no expenditure statement also, and you know.
When did you last put out an expenditure statement? When did the BJP last on its website put out an expenditure statement?
1 minute.
No, Sudhanshu Mittal.
Let me read out the
You are asking questions
Constitution.
of them but not answering
Let
questions
me-
of yourself.
No, you are not listening to me now. This
I
is
am
unfair.
listening to you.
This is
When
unfair.
did you last put
Let
out
me-
an expenditure
I
statement?
I have given it to the Income Tax Authority what I am required to do. But people who claim
come
they're
on.
transparent, let me read this out to you. This is their
I'm also out of
constitution.
time.
No. The constitution says the accounts shall be maintained on accrual
Mr.
basis.
Sudhanshu Mittal,
The
you are
details of
caught.
what donations
Your
and
party is
expenses
caught red-handed
will be
on
made
national
transparent.
television.
Their website
Have
does
some
not
shame
mention even
and
one
disclose.
single detail
Have
of
some
any
shame and
expenditure
make
they have made in
self-disclosure.
the last 6 months. And then you talk about transparency. Then you want us to be accountable for what Mr. Kejriwal says. Give me a break, man. I think in the interest of fair play, you should not pick up issues which fraudulent people like Mr. Arvind Kejriwal want to put in domain.
Neither Arvind Kejriwal dictates
Rahul,
what
who
we
has
debate on
made
center
these-
stage,
Rahul,
nor the BJP.
Why should
Rahul,
only
Rahul.
BJP?
Rahul,
who
I'm
has
out of
made this
time.
law
Our producers are
20,000
saying
less?
we need to take a break.
Rahul,
20
who has
seconds
made this
conclude.
law 20,000
This
or
is
less
your
can
constitution,
be
One by
sir.
one, let him speak.
Same BJP and
This is
Congress.
your constitution, and this
Same
is your
BJP
account
and Congress has
statement.
made
What
this
does it
law
say?
That you can go
Public
scot-free
meeting
with
expense
donations
17,000
of 20,000
rupees.
and
Media
less.
campaign expense
Why
15
can't
lakh
they
rupees.
amend this?
Who spent? How much it has been?
Okay, let Rahul
When it
Mehra
was
make a
spent?
concluding argument. Go on, Rahul.
Enough of fraudgery.
Okay, so there is heat,
See,
there is dust. There is at least an attempt being made to be transparent,
Which-
Mr.
no, it
Mittal.
is an
You are
attempt to
turning
hoodwink.
around and saying,
No.
go to the
It is-
income tax
it is a-
department,
it
go
is
to
a attempt to be
DGCA.
hoodwinked.
You put it on your website.
No, but
Anyway,
I want to follow them. Sorry.
I don't wish
If
to take
hoodwinking
sides.
people is what I should follow. No, I will not follow.
I don't wish to
We are
take sides.
going to follow the rule of law, not hoodwink people. We will not give fraudulent information as I just showed you. We will not say we have put every account.
Okay.
We will not say I will not answer the Home Ministry.
I am
will
out of
not say I
time.
will not answer the ED.
You've heard the Aam Aadmi Party, you've heard the
Amazing.
BJP, you decide where you stand. There's a lot of anger. Everyone's
it is-
asking
it is
questions
wrong.
of the others, not answering questions themselves.
No,
I'm out of
because
time on Center
so
Stage tonight.
Caesar's wife
India
should have
reports
above
when we come
suspicion.
back on the other side. Thank you, sir. Please listen to the other person also. You're going off on a
fraudulence,
tangent.
there
You
is
must
limit
give
to
someone
fraudulence.
an opportunity to speak.
It is amazing.
We have time only for this much. India reports when we come back on the other side.